Building a personal brand completely changed my life in just 90 days. And I know that sounds insane, but in this video, I'm gonna share exactly how I went from driving Uber to a high six-figure business. In 2024, I started something I'd been thinking about for a long time. I knew I needed to post content every single day to grow my personal brand and book inbound calls. But I was always uncomfortable in front of the camera. I'd record the same video 5 times because I didn't like how I sounded, then spend 3 hours editing only for it to get 200 views. So even though I knew content was the answer, I couldn't figure out how to actually do it consistently, and I guarantee you can relate to that feeling. But what happened over the next 90 days completely changed my business. Not because of followers or views, because I finally figured out how to turn content into a system that books sales calls while I'm working with clients. Now, what I'm about to show you isn't a boring post more content advice. It's a complete system that lets you post 30 plus pieces a month without ever pressing record. And if you implement even one thing from this video, you'll book more calls in the next 30 days than you did in the last 3 months. So if you're a coach, consultant, or an agency owner who knows you need to post content consistently but you don't have the time or you hate being on camera, this video is for you. In September 2024, I was driving Uber in Toronto on my birthday. I lost all my clients in 1 month. I was broke and burned out. Now, I knew content was the answer, but I couldn't even afford to pay the rent, let alone spend 3 hours editing a video. But I made myself a promise that my next birthday would not look the same. So I started posting again, manually recording myself while hating every second of it. I'd post one video, then nothing for 4 days, then 2 videos in 1 week, then nothing again. And I remember thinking, how are other people posting every single day? Because to post daily and test what works, I'd need at least 15 to 20 hours a week just for content. But I didn't have 15 hours, I barely had 2. That's when I realized the camera isn't the problem. The system is the problem. 2 months later, I was on a mastermind call with a guy named Daniel Fazio. He said, stop trying to record everything yourself. Build an AI clone and let it post for you. For a second, I thought that sounds fake and robotic, but I had nothing left to lose. So that weekend, I locked myself in my apartment. I trained a voice model, built an avatar, and wrote sample scripts. And for the first time, I watched a version of me talking back to me. It was 95% realistic and sounded exactly like me, but I still wasn't sure if it would actually work. So I posted a video and showed it to my girlfriend, but it wasn't me, it was my AI clone. Even my family couldn't tell the difference. That was the moment everything changed for me. Because here's what happened next. I started posting every single day with my AI clone. I'd spend 2 hours on Sunday writing scripts for the entire week. My clone would produce them and they'd go live automatically. Within the first 30 days, I booked 7 inbound sales calls. The first deal I closed was for $3,500 and that too from just one client. That paid for 3 months of the entire system. By day 90, I had gone from $0 in monthly recurring revenue to $10,000 and I hadn't recorded a video in 8 weeks. Now, if you want to learn the exact system I used to build AI clones, join my content circle with a 7-day free trial, link in the description. Looking back now, there are 3 lessons I wish I'd known when I was first getting started. Lesson 1, content is leverage, not self-expression. Most business owners think content is about showing up authentically or being yourself on camera. But that's not what content actually is. Content is a system that packages your expertise and works for you 24/7 while you're on sales calls or delivering for clients. Your clients don't care if you recorded the video live at 6 a.m. or if your AI clone produced it while you were asleep. They care if it solves their problem. They care if it builds enough trust that they want to book a call with you. So if you're stuck thinking, I need to be on camera to be authentic, you're thinking about content wrong. Content is a business system, treat it like one. Lesson 2, systems beat motivation. I used to rely on motivation all the time. This Monday, I'm going to post every single day. By Wednesday, nothing. Because motivation is a feeling and feelings don't scale, but systems do. Here's the system I built. Every Sunday, I spend 2 hours. I write scripts for 7 videos. My AI clone produces them. They post automatically throughout the week. I don't think about it. I don't rely on motivation. The system runs whether I feel like it or not. And that system is what scaled me from $0 to $10,000 a month. Lesson 3. Package your unfair advantage. Your unfair advantage as a business owner isn't your camera presence, it's not how good you look on video. Your unfair advantage is the speed to insight you've developed from working with 50 clients. It's the framework you built that no one else teaches. That's what you need to package into your content. Package your unfair advantage into a repeatable system that demonstrates your expertise and books calls. Because that's what people actually pay for. They don't pay for your videos, they pay for the insight inside them. And if you want a free step-by-step guide to go from 0 to 30 videos without recording a single one, check out the link in the description. So after that first deal closed, I sat there thinking I just booked a sales call from a video I didn't record. Then another call came in, then two more. Within 30 days, 7 inbound calls, all from my AI clone posting daily. That's when it clicked. This isn't just my solution. This is what every business owner at $20,000 to $30,000 per month needs. They're stuck because they can't create content consistently. Not because they don't know what to say, because the process is too slow, too painful, too inconsistent. So I packaged it, I tested it on myself first, made sure it actually worked. Then I packaged it for clients. Now at Social Brew Toronto, we build AI clones for coaches, consultants, and agency owners. We produce 30 plus pieces of content every month for each client, and we book them 10 to 20 qualified sales calls without them recording a single video. We build your AI clone, we produce the content, you book the calls. This year alone, we've booked over 324 sales calls using this system. We've generated over $745,000 in pipeline for our clients. We're a 12-person team running this at scale, and our clients have under 10% churn. Because this actually works. So if you're a business owner doing $20,000 per month and content is your bottleneck, if you know you need to post daily but you don't have the time, or you hate being on camera, and if you want 10 to 20 qualified sales calls booked every month without recording a single video, that's what we do. So here's exactly what happens. Week 1, we build your AI clone, which is 95% realistic and sounds exactly like you. Week 2, your first 30 pieces of content go live. By week 3, you're booking qualified sales calls from content you never recorded. Our clients save 15 to 20 hours per week and book 10 to 20 calls per month. One client closed $12,000 in their first 45 days. Another went from 2 calls a month to 18. If you're doing $20,000 or more per month and content is what's holding you back, this is built for you. Link in the description, book a call, we'll build your system. Look, I know this sounds too good to be true. I was skeptical too, but my own girlfriend couldn't tell the difference, and more importantly, my clients couldn't tell the difference. So if you're stuck at $20,000 or $30,000 per month because you can't create content consistently, this is your sign to book a call with me today. Because 90 days from now, you'll either be booking 10 to 20 calls a month from your content, or you'll still be overthinking your next video. Link in description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.